Guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So today, me and Miss Beautiful back there, we have a very special unboxing. It's our first time seeing Choo on the channel in a while. I haven't purchased anything from Choo in a few years, and this pair of Choos was purchased for me by one of my very generous subscribers. So I am over the moon because I've already experienced so much generosity, so much giving from my audience, and then you guys just find new ways to surprise me and keep me dumbfounded at how good you guys are to me. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now this is not your usual Choo box. It may not initially look like it, but then you see made to order on the box. And this is like a velvet box. Like, this is their normal cardboard. Don't know if the audio's picking that up. It will pick up my air conditioner that just popped on though. But then, this is like a velvet. So, the story behind these is that someone just so happened to want to give me some custom Choo Max 150s. And I was not about to say no to that. It was overall a very easy experience to custom order your shoe online. You can pick which shoe out of, I believe, their core collection that you want to make custom. And then you have options between color, between material, and you can even personalize it. Say if it's for your, I don't know, your wedding, your graduation, a present for someone. And these were obviously a present. So not a horrible idea if you happen to really know someone's shoe size and you want to give them a fabulous gift. Now it's just taking a second to hold the box up and get this puppy out of the dust box. Of course, it wants to give me trouble. I'll just set that down real quick and pray a cat doesn't flop right on into it. But here's the first one. These are particularly exciting for me because these are my second 150 in my collection, period. I have always wanted a pair of the Choo Maxes just because you always see them on red carpets. You've seen them multiple times at the Met Gala. Just an ultra fabulous shoe. While I'm thinking about it, I need to get the other one out, so we're just gonna yank that right out there and show you the other one. So now I actually have the pair. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing with the actual, what's it called, with the box and the paper and the dust bags, because I like my outlets, you know me, but these are not outlets. This was not an outlet find. My bad, sorry, I'm a tad excited. You hear that? That's a cat hopping right into it. What did I say? But back to the shoes. So mine were personalized in the back with a gold HIH for Housewife in Heels. So that's just a neat little touch. I think if you want to, you can like get dates and stuff put on there, but we just went with the initials of the channel, and we went with a black Napa leather. I wasn't too sure about going with something like a patent because these are likely not going to be the epitome of comfort. So I wanted a material that was going to be easier on the foot than, say, a patent. And I don't know how well these are gonna stretch. I honestly think they are gonna stretch out a little because it is pretty soft and supple leather. It is reminiscent of Louboutin leather, maybe a touch firmer. Last night when I opened them up, because I had to check them out, but I thought they were softer, but now that I'm kind of feeling it up, I think it's a sturdier Napa than a Louboutin. Like, I think it's going to be more scratch resistant, but I am just over the moon about these. If you want your own custom pair of Jimmy Choos, I know these will run you about $1,300, give or take, just because I like to be transparent and not just flaunt all this nice stuff without giving the cost it would take to acquire. So I try to be super honest and transparent about all that. Now if you're watching this and you want to know the sizing, these I went with my true to size. I am a 36 true to size, so I got these in a 36, but I have a narrow foot, so I was able to get away with true to size. Most people, you're definitely going to want to go up a half size if you have more so an average foot. If you have a wider foot, I really would not recommend something like this, but if you have your heart set on it, because, I mean, look, I could see why someone would get their heart set on it, but if you have a wider foot and you have your heart set on it, I would say go up probably a whole size. And if you can, if you have a Jimmy Choo near you, please try them on if you so have the opportunity. Please, please, please do that. It will save you a lot of heartache. I want to say 2 years ago or something, give or take, I tried on a pair of these in like a silver glitter version, so that's how I immediately knew what size I was gonna need when the opportunity struck for me to be able to acquire a pair. So I think that will about do it for this unboxing today. I know that I am itching to show you guys how these look on the foot because it's extraordinary, it's exquisite, but before I do that, if you would like to further support me, my channel, go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, do all that fun stuff. If you would like to give me further support, there is TikTok. I'm trying to hit 10K followers for obvious reasons. I would appreciate a follow on there. If you would like to give further support, I always have Patreon. It starts at $3 a month. And if you want something tangible from me in terms of supporting me, I also have my Poshmark closet linked down below. So other than that, let's go ahead and try these puppies on, shall we?